Welcome! My name is Yvette from ShortPoint. SharePoint provides a consistent look and feel for its site pages, incorporating several elements as part of its default solution. These elements include the SharePoint suite bar, page actions, additional details, and more. However, you may wish to hide these page elements either to achieve a cleaner page design or to limit their visibility and accessibility to your users. To accomplish this, you can leverage the ShortPoint Theme Builder, which offers a convenient solution. In this video, you will learn how to enable Focus Mode, which effectively hides most of the SharePoint page elements. In addition, you will learn how to select specific elements to hide and add the Move to Top feature for better page navigation. To get started, launch the Theme Builder and navigate to the General Settings category, then select Elements. In the Elements section, you will find a list of pages you can customize. If you want to modify page elements on the home page only, you can select Home Page and make your changes. On the other hand, if you want to apply your custom settings to all sites within your site collection, choose the All Sites option. The first option you'll see is Focus Mode. Simply slide the toggle to enable it. With Focus Mode enabled, the SharePoint suite bar and action options will be hidden, providing a clean default view for your users when they open a site page. However, users can access the hidden page elements by clicking on the arrow down icon. This is particularly useful when they need to use the search box or view additional page details. In addition to Focus Mode, the Theme Builder offers the ability to hide specific page elements based on your needs. For instance, if you have theme sites, they typically come with a side panel navigation. You can easily hide this side panel using the Theme Builder. Furthermore, if your site is connected to a hub site and you prefer not to display the hub site's menu, you can hide it by enabling the corresponding option. Let's revisit the General Settings options in the Theme Builder, focusing on a feature that enhances the browsing experience for your users. When users navigate through a lengthy page, they typically scroll down to view its contents. And when they need to return to the top of the page, they would have to manually scroll back up. To provide a smoother user experience, you can enable the Move to Top feature in the Theme Builder. To do this, navigate to the Move to Top option under General Settings and enable the feature. This will add a small widget at the bottom right corner of the page. You can customize the style and color of the widget to match your site's design. When users click on this widget, they will be instantly brought back to the top of the page. Now apply the changes you made to your site by hitting the Publish button. Hiding SharePoint page elements using ShortPoint Theme Builder is a simple yet impactful customization for your intranet. But that's not all you can do with the Theme Builder. Learn about various customization options available to create a truly engaging intranet experience. Thank you for watching!